Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go.
All right, players, there's some crazy stuff going on today. First of all, it is October 3rd, the Tuesday. I'm sorry. I keep doing that, man. It's actually Wednesday, but I'm supposed to be recording this on Tuesday. It's 12:38 a.m. And in the news today, well, Brazil went up like 16% and like another 12% aftermarket. It's absolutely insane. And I checked the news as to why. I didn't even know what's going on there, but apparently their far right political candidate is extending some kind of political lead. So I guess the market is really blessing that. I have one Brazilian utility in my portfolio, SIG. Let me pull it up here if I can find it. There it is. And it itself went up almost 9% and another 3.23% aftermarket. Now, I have four calls sold at 250, so I would like it to come close to that level, but not necessarily reach it. That would be optimal, but I'm not gonna be mad if it goes up. So go Brazil, man. In other news, EXK, good day for the metals today. My boys at EXK up 5.38%. I sold another call against 100 more of my options for $15. So now I have 500 shares of collateral and $3,250 of collateral set aside, waiting for these babies to come to zero and collect my premium and relieve me from this $519 obligation. That would be fantastic. I haven't even gotten to the big news, which is new all-time high. I was up um, somewhere in the range of 200, 300, like $270, something like that, which puts me at an all-time high, which I'm very pleased about. Now this, my graphs is starting to look a little bit more legitimate, even though the S&P is absolutely murdering my portfolio. I'm making some real steady gains, and this is legitimately looking like a nice graph now. So that is the performance thus far. Everything else just looks steady. Markets were like almost flat, nothing flashy, nothing big. C-SPAN down a couple percent, Russia down a couple percent. Uranium, uranium's doing all right. We got a little bit of gains. Um, Cameco up almost 2%. Now it's sitting at 1144. I would really like it if Cameco would come close to $13, but not reach $13 by November 2nd. That would be the optimal scenario there. But if it goes further than that, I'm totally fine. I'm just going to have to sell 100 shares at that point, and I only have 200 of them so far right now. So I would like to accumulate more, but it looks like I'll just have to be collecting these premiums on my puts instead. Uh, that's all right. At least I'm collecting money. That's such a good problem to have, right? Okay, so I mean, I'm really pleased with my portfolio's performance so far. I'm doing work. Even Apple's up almost a percent. Apple's been doing so well. Ever since my trade on Apple, my put buy and sell on Apple, I allowed it, I told it it can go up now, and it's been really good about that. So it's been going up nice and steadily. It's doing great. So I bought a put somewhere around here, sold around here, and now it's been doing great. So hopefully it continues to do that. I have zero complaints. Anything else that's interesting in the news? Am I forgetting stuff? What am I forgetting? Besides Brazil, I don't know. Nothing really exciting is happening. Those trade deals, the new NAFTA or whatever. Trump's making some deals with, the other North American nations, but I don't know. It just seems so inconsequent. Like it doesn't. It's not gonna. It doesn't make any difference. The changes are so small. Made some automotive like manufacturing changes and rules and um, some dairy changes on American exports into Canada and stuff like that. But there's such small changes. Like honestly, it doesn't really even matter. Plus, my opinion about the trades agreements are and then trade tariffs and all that. It doesn't matter nearly as much as um, the price of money, which is what the Fed is really ultimately manipulating. Um, so I'm more excited to hear more about that on that front. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited about this week. The reversal Tuesday has proven to be really good for me. The Monday was a little bit low, but now we're making up some ground. Hopefully, it cruises like this for the rest of the week and I don't lose all of those gains. I don't want to be back here a grand less where I was last week on September 26th. So I don't want to end up there. So hopefully this we cruise. We'll see what happens. If I'm looking to sell some calls on some of these guys that I have appreciated a lot, but we'll see. We will see. All right, that's it for now. I'm really exhausted. I can't really talk more. I mean, I can, but um, tired. I'm gonna go to bed. That will conclude the vlog slash episode 45, I think. And I'm excited about tomorrow. All right, with that said, peace out.